In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Veo 3. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure that you can create videos effortlessly. So let's jump right into it. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open Gemini. Gemini is the platform that houses the tools we'll be using today, including Google Veo. Once you have Gemini open, the next step is to create a new chat. This chat function will serve as your workspace, where all the magic happens and where you'll initiate the video creation process. With your new chat active, you'll see a menu situated close to the chat box. This is the Tools menu. Click on it to reveal a range of options. From here, look for the option labeled Create Videos with Veo. Selecting this will launch Google Veo 3, setting the stage for your creative inputs. Now comes the creative part. You'll need to describe the scene you'd like to create. This is your opportunity to envision your video clearly, so go ahead and add as many details as you feel necessary. Think about the visual style you prefer, whether it's animated, cinematic, or perhaps something more minimalist. These details will guide the algorithm to better align the final product with your vision. Once your scene description is ready, it's time to click Generate. This command will set the program to work, and you'll need to wait for the system to process your input. This might take a moment, so be patient as this step is crucial for creating a high-quality video. After the video has been generated, take some time to review it carefully. You might find it perfect on the first go, but if not, don't worry. You can refine your prompt, tweak a few details, and then regenerate the video. Crafting the perfect video sometimes requires a bit of trial and error, so feel free to make modifications until the result aligns with your expectations. Finally, once you're satisfied with the video, the last step is to download the file. This will save your creation to your device, where you can then share it, upload it, or use it however you choose. And there we have it, a simple, concise journey to mastering Google Veo 3 to create stunning videos. I hope this guide has been both helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to rewatch or pause the video as you go through the steps, and soon you'll be generating amazing content with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy video creating!